Today's video is just a learning update. I'm learning three.js because it gives a very beautiful dimension to your application. This is a very small demo I have created. I have created a mood. This is all created by simple JavaScript. I have added animation using this JavaScript, and you can just move out, move in, just simple JavaScript, nothing else, not even CSS. It's just pure three.js. If you want to change the game of your application, do check it out. Probably in later lessons, I may teach this if I learn it very properly. Yeah, till then, take care, bye.